Springtime in the north. Riders on the storm. It's not really stormy out. That's perhaps the wrong. Oh, look at that pile of sand. A berm! There's a berm on the road. Welcome to Whitehurst. Welcome to Wild Bill's Garage. Welcome to the Parabellum install. Okay, so it's not exactly spring yet. It's March 29th. But I can ride. I can't do any off-roads or anything. It's too much snow. But I can ride on the pavement in particular areas. So here it is. All the way from Georgia to the Yukon took a week. Pretty impressive. Total of probably about 135 Canadian with all the crap. There it is. Oh, it goes right there. Oh, it's not much of a windshield. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying. But it's a little bike. If I want to go fast on the highway, I'll ride that one. Pretty nice. First test with the new pop filter. Okay, Bull, thank you very much. I'll take it from here. It's the thing about retirement. It's 5 o'clock in the morning and I'm up working. For me, for you, for whoever. So this Parabellum windshield, like, it's barely worth even doing a how-to or install. It's so bloody easy. You got your 4 little bolts you put on, follow the instructions, very simple, almost like a little cartoon they send to you. It's about 100, pretty close to 140 Canadian. God dang, expensive little windshield. Anyways, you got 1/4-inch drill. You're going to need an 8mm wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and you got a little bit of play there. You can move, but very, very little. And when you put it on, it's about 14 inches high. You're going to have about 9 inches of added clearance for wind buffeting. And I haven't really had too much testing on it yet because it's still got a lot of snow up here in the Yukon. But it does really seem to break the wind on your chest, and that's all I need. I don't think I'll be taking it to a Yellowknife this year. I think I'm going to be taking my wife's V-Strom. But that's upcoming trips, and there's a lot of water under the bridge even before then. So the Parabellum windshield so far, I'm pretty impressed with the quality. Pricey, obviously pricey, but geez, unless you're going to bake some kind of a piece of plastic in your oven, I've seen that on YouTube. I don't think my wife wants me to put any plastic in the oven. Anyway, seems to be a good product. Over the summer, we'll get better reviews, get more miles on it, but I'm not expecting it to do much more than just break a little bit of wind, like a good helping of beans. Okay, it's Wild Bill's Garage in the Yukon. Praying for melting. It's supposed to be happening any day now. Amen. Thanks for coming out. Over and out. Have a great day. 0 degrees. Of course, that's 32 Fahrenheit, I believe, for our American friends. Funny, I grew up on Fahrenheit and gallons, but it's taken 25, 30 years, but I'm getting used to the millimeters and milliliters and liters and kilometers. And I you know what, I think maybe because I'm used to it, I like it better. It's, for measuring small things, it's all 10 to 100,000. Not that, 100. Hard to convert inches that are 12 to hundreds of thousands. I'm finding on my repairs. So, well, that's kind of off tangent. What a great day for a ride. Awesome. Love the new Parabellum. That's what I'm doing, testing a new Parabellum.